Hi, my name is Duarte. I'm from ComNav Technology Europe. I'm the responsible for the technical support, and today I'm going to show you how to create a project and how to set the basic configurations for you to be able to work with SurveyMaster. So, what you first see in this SurveyMaster app is the interface is divided in 4 pages. These 4 pages are project, device, survey, and tool. The project page, it will be mostly for the creation of your project, for configuring the datum, the coordinate system, the geoids, the imports, export of your elements. All these configurations will be done in this page. Then you have the page of the device. This page will be used to make the connection from the controller to your GNSS receiver. You will also be able to set the rover and the base if you are working in radio mode. And you will also be able to do some firmware upgrades, as you can see in this icon here. So this will be mainly in terms of the connection between the controller and the device, and some configurations in the GNSS receiver. In the survey page, this is where you're going to find your working functions. This is where you are going to select the type of work you are about to do with your SurveyMaster and with your GNSS receiver. You have this option here of the topo survey that will be for ordinary survey work, like measuring points, collecting coordinates. You have some stake options. You have stake point, stake line, surface stake, even road stake. All these, it's going to be to put the information that you already have in your controller and to put it in the field. So if you have imported points inside and you want to put them in the field, mark them in the field, this is working functions that you are going to use. Then you have the tool page, and the tool page basically has some other functions, some calculus that you can use during your work field. So back to the project page, the first thing that you will want to do is to create a project. You select the project icon, and here you are going to select new. You will have to name your project, so I'm going to name it as test 1. And you will also have to select your datum. When you are going to select your coordinate system, by default you will have some Chinese coordinate systems. So if you work in China, this will be useful to you, but if you don't work in China, you can delete them just by sliding to the right and deleting like this. Now your menu is empty, so you will have to add new ones. You come here to add predefined, and here you will be able to select the country that you wish. The city is based in Belgium, so I'm going to select Belgium. And I'm going to select the Lambert 72 because it's the system that we normally use. So now I already have this system here. I will select it. And as you can see, you have all these configurations that are automatically put. I'm still going to put the geoid model and the grid correction. And the good thing about this R60 is that it's using an Android operating system, so it's basically like a smartphone. You can access the internet, you can access your email. So if you want to download files, like a geoid file, you will be able to do it. So I already have downloaded it, so I'm going just to search for it. Here it is. And I also add the grid. select the country, confirm it. So now you have created your project and you have defined the coordinate systems that you are going to work in.